Oh, hi you guys. Come on in. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of our shipping container house. I know a lot of you guys have been asking to see what the finished product is, so I'm going to go ahead and walk you through and show you everything. This part is our sunroom. It's not finished. There's actually quite a few things here that are still a work in progress. So just keep that in mind. This is not done. This will be actually enclosed in part of the house eventually. But for now, it's kind of just our spot to store some of our stuff while we wait for our shop to get done. Those are the seeds we planted yesterday. So come on in. Here's our living room. We used to have a pellet stove, but it was too much stove for our house, so we had to take it out. And then this is our closet. In here we have our hot water heater. It's like an on-demand hot water heater. And over here is our kitchen. This part is a shipping container. You can see the ceiling up above. That's the metal. We still have to put a windowsill in over there. And I mean, it's a small space, as you can see, but it works great for us. And then here's our bathroom. This part is also the shipping container. And the shower, the toilet, you know, the basics. Shower and toilet. And then eventually this will be like a little tiny dining area, so I'm going to move that chair out to the sunroom when that's done. And we'll put a little spot right there for us to sit down and eat our meals together. And over here is Taylor's room. Still not completely done with it. We have that window all waiting to get cut out. But shipping container. She chose black for her ceiling, and then green walls. She wants to do camo, so we're getting there slowly but surely. The debt-free way. It's kind of a process. And then this is Garen's room, and also Jackson's room. They share together. And also this is a shipping container. So you've probably noticed we've made our rooms a little bit smaller, and we did that because, I mean, we only sleep in there, so we like to hang out in here. So our rooms are a little on the smaller side, and this whole wall is one shipping container, and that whole area, the kitchen and the bathroom, is its own shipping container. And this is our laundry room. It's a little bit messy right now. I still have to work on organizing and decorating and everything else, all the fun stuff. And then this is also a third shipping container. So this is our master bedroom. We still have to fix, we're not done yet with the window, obviously. And then on the other side of the container is our closet. So we made a walk-in closet. I don't know if you guys can tell who's his and whose is hers. Might be kind of obvious. And then this is where we make the magic happen for all of our videos for you guys. That's about it in here. We've done all of this by ourselves. Even down to the electrical and the plumbing. So it's been quite a process, huh, Jaxie? Huh. But you came along after we were done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time.